Jacque. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing great. Are you ready for another adventure? I hope so. I know you're looking at all these things, these giant horseshoes and this net, this great shaker, but guess what? We're not gonna need any of these things today. No horseshoes, we're not even gonna need this great net, and we're not even gonna use my shaker. Guess what you'll be using today on our adventure? Are you ready to guess? You'll be using your eyes for looking and seeing. You're going to be using your ears for listening. You're going to be using your nose for smelling and taking a deep breath. And you're going to be using your hands for exploring and touching different textures. Are you ready? Or are you getting really excited? Okay, look, now I'm going to tell you what we're going to be looking for, but I'm going to tell you in a different language. I want you to try and figure it out. I'm going to use sign language. Are you ready? Now, we will be looking for, see if you can guess what this is. Birds. That's right. You got it. What about this? Yes, trees. How did you know? And last but not least, me. Yes, that's it. Birds, trees, and me. Try it with me. Are you ready? Birds, trees, and me. So for birds, you just take your fingers and you open and shut them. Open, shut. And birds. And with trees, you sit one arm in the other in your hand, and you just move it back and forth, just like a tree. And for me, you just point to yourself. Me. So, are you ready for this great adventure? It's gonna be so much fun. And guess what? We're gonna go someplace. It won't be inside. It's gonna be outside. So put your shoes on. You can put on a hat. You can put on, well, you won't need a jacket because it's still warm outside, but you can put a jacket on if you want. And we are going to go outside. You can use your legs to walk outside. You can go outside in your wheelchair. You can roll outside. You can use your cane, all right, to help you get outside. But guys, guess what? We're going outside. Come on, let's go! Trees and me, we got along right from the very start. See, I don't have leaves, and I don't have feathers, but I got a lot of love in my heart, and that's what keeps us together. Talking about birds, trees, and me. Like three peas in a pod, birds, trees, and me. We got along right from the very start. I don't have leaves, and I don't have feathers, but I got a lot of love in my heart. That's what keeps us together. Talking about birds, trees, and me. Hey, we go together like the peas in a pod. Birds, trees, and me. We got along right from the very start. 1, 2, 3. Birds, trees, and me. You count with me. 1, 2, 3. Birds, trees, and me. Say it again. 1, 2, 3.